BossLTR was the first portable lighting company to successfully produce an explosive-proof 120-volt floodlight that received UL certification 844-P4 and UL 153 compliant validations for use in confined space entry apps, oil storage tanks, and process vessels. All the products shown in this upcoming video can be equipped with scaffold mount clamps designed for specifically fitting to all industrial scaffolding products. This spring-mounted light has a 100-watt LED floodlight rated for use within wet locations. This model is also available in 300 watts LED water-resistant floodlight plus a scaffold mount clamp. This spring-mounted light is a 40-watt LED floodlight rated for use in Nema 4X waterproof areas. This model can be supplied with a scaffolding clamp. This model is a 45-watt LED floodlight rated for use in Nema 4X waterproof areas. This product is equipped with scaffold mount clamps. The quad pod mount light is a 150-watt LED floodlight rated for use in explosion-proof areas. This model is available in 100-watt LED or 70-watt LED fixtures and scaffolding mount clamps. This spring-mounted light is a 39-watt LED floodlight rated for use in explosion-proof areas. This model is also available in 70-watt metal halide fixture, both designed to attach to scaffolding. The cart-mounted light is a 150-watt LED floodlight rated for use in explosion-proof areas. This product is available in 100-watt and 70-watt LED fixtures as well. The scaffold mount light is a 150-watt LED floodlight rated for use in explosion-proof areas. This product is also available in 100-watt and 70-watt. The floor stand mount light is a 150-watt LED floodlight rated for use in explosion-proof areas. This product can be supplied with a 100-watt or 70-watt LED fixture. The magnet mount light is a 70-watt LED floodlight rated for use in explosion-proof areas. This product can be supplied with a scaffold mount clamp. BossLTR produces exclusively the industrial rope light series of industrial portable lighting products. Currently, these products are rated for Nema 3R, water-resistant 120-volt and 12-volt models. Boss has opened a UL file to begin the process of getting these rope light products UL listed for Class 1, Division 1, Groups A, B, C, D, explosion-proof rating, projected to be available for rental by November 2018. BossLTR is the authority on portable LED floodlighting product designs. Give us a call today or visit our website at BossLTR.com.